Okay, we're going to be going over the FSA Grade 5 Review Packet, page 14. When I look at the first one, I'm using cubes, and the question is asking me how many more total miles. So what I did is I went back to my first race, which showed me 13 people ran 1 5/10 miles. I multiplied that to find the total of the first race. Then I looked at the second race where 5 people ran 2 2/10 miles, and I multiplied that. I wrote a single expression that showed I multiplied those two numbers, and I'm subtracting the difference to find out how many more total miles. So when I multiplied that, I just treated it like double-digit multiplication, and I just made sure that I remembered to place my decimal at the end after I multiplied. Again, here I had single-digit multiplication, but note that I put the 2 2/10 miles up top and the whole number below because 2 2/10 had more digits. After I had done this, I just went ahead and rewrote it with subtraction, making sure my place value, my decimals lined up. And I got my final answer, which was 8 5/10. When I look at the next one, there's a little bit of strategy to it, so I didn't fill in the answers yet because I actually want you to see what you should do. Some locations at Dan's town are shown below. And it says that Dan moved from one location to another by traveling 3 units to the left and 1 unit down. Where could he have started? Where could he have ended? So I need to figure out 3 units to the left and 1 down. Well, if I look at home, there's nothing to the left, so close, it's not home. If I look at school and I go across 3 units, that's 1, 2, 3, down 1, nothing's there, so it certainly is not that. On park, I can't even go to the left 3 units, so it's not that. Library, I go 1, 2, 3, down 1. So you can see that he started at the library and he went to the park. So Dan started at the library and ended at the park. Now, this could be something you would have to type into on FSA or possibly drag and drop, even maybe a selectable. Okay, it says write an expression is shown. What is the value of it? So I just took it and I rewrote it with that common denominator of 6. What I do to go from 3 to 6, I multiplied by 2. So when I look at that numerator, I need to multiply it by 2 as well. So 6 2/3 is equivalent to 6 4/6. The other one was already in 6th. I can do my numerators. 4 minus 1 is 3. And the denominator would stay the same, of 6, so 3/6. And then subtract your whole. 6 and 4 would give you 2 3/6. Again, what do I know about 3/6, which is that it's equivalent to 1/2. Going back up here, I haven't done it yet because I wanted to show you again the process to it. Again, on FSA, it can say select all, or it can tell you how many to select. In this instance, it says to select 2 that can be rewritten with the denominator of 24. So I actually rewrote all these with the denominator of 24. I'm just going to see, can I multiply a number by 6 to get to 24? Yes, 6 times 4, so that one works. Can I multiply a number by 5 to get to 24? That one should be fairly easy because all multiples of 5 end in 5 or 0, so no. 7 times something equals 24? Nope, 7 times 3 is 21, and 7 times 4 is 28, so not that one. Nothing can be multiplied by 10 to get that. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27, so E does not work. 8 can actually be multiplied by a number to get to 24, which is 3. So A and E work because they can both be multiplied by a number to equal 24. Now the next one says to find the sum of 2/5 and 1/3. I know that sum is telling me to add. So 2/5 plus 1/3 needs a common denominator, which would be 15. 5 times what is 15? Times 3. So this would be 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And same thing here. 3 times what is 15? 3 times 5. So this would be 5. So you get 6/15 plus 5/15 gives you your answer of 11/15.